Hi everyone, Lana Schlock here, coming to you from my home office in Fort St. John, BC, Canada. I hope that you will like and subscribe to my videos. I am continually doing updates on different projects that I work with or different little things that you can do at home to produce an income. So these are my top 5 income producing things that you can work on from home to get paid on. So let me start. First one is Social Media Manager. And as you can see, I'm in Udemy. And what I've done is pulled up some courses that you can quickly take as a social media manager. So once you get yourself a little bit skilled, you're comfortable with it, then you can go hire yourself out to Upwork. And I just want to quickly show you. I'm going to type in social media. Let me show you. But I was in here looking, and I'm not sure if it will. Let's go see categories. Oh, see if we can find it. Because one of the things that I wanted to show you was that once you get comfortable and become a social media manager, they're paying upwards to $65 an hour. So as you get started, you would start out probably at the low, get yourself some experience, and this is where the Udemy course would come into play because you've got some knowledge, which would be more than 95% of the market out there, and then go to Udemy and hire yourself out. The next place that I have picked as my number 4 place is user testing. And what that is it allows you to do a free trial. You answer a few questions and you do a little quick online testing to see how things work and the thought process, and they kind of probably line you up with what you need to, where they figure you'll fit in. And let me just see, they had a video here when I was here earlier. And, okay, that's not it. And anyway, it talked about basically what this one is that, you know how sometimes you'll go to a website and you click on a link and it's broken, or the video that I watched earlier was about a girl trying to buy a pair of red dress shoes, and the website kept giving her black dress shoes. So I found that interesting that, yeah, that may not have happened to me, but I know that when I've gone on different websites, I have found that the links are broken. So what they've done is, looking from an objective view, is hire outside people to come in and take a look and see what where their links are broken and to get them fixed. My number 3 top pick for making money at home is stock photos. And down here you can take pictures of people and people, things, places, whatever you like, and sell them. And as you get better, you would get more of an income. So there's 2 ways that Stock Adobe pays, and one is royalties. You either get paid on your royalties or you get paid for project or photo that you submit. And of course you can see that some of these are really cool, really neat. So dig out your camera, dust it off, and it's a good way to have an income if you enjoy taking pictures. My number 2 is, I'm going back to Upwork, and you can become a freelance writer. And so you just click on it, and if you enjoy writing, this is a good way to get started. And also, I have higher writers here, and depending on your skill set, you would do a quick little test to see where you're at, and they would hook you up with the level of writing that they're looking for, and you would get paid that way. And so something to consider. And my number one is YouTube. So how do you get paid with YouTube? Is it profitable? If you're putting out good quality content on a regular basis, it is profitable. There is a couple of things you need to consider. And one is that you would have to have up from 10,000 to 15,000 subscribers. It may take you a little bit of time to get there, but you will get there. So keep that in mind. It's going to be a process. It's not going to happen overnight. And putting up good quality content will attract subscribers to you. You'll get more subscribers, and it just becomes a snowball effect. And then once you hit between 10 and 15,000 subscribers, YouTube will start paying you anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 a month, which I think is a pretty good for making videos and telling people about different things that you enjoy and you like, and whether you're teaching them on something and so forth. So I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. All right, have a great evening.